We're here on the campus of Cal State University Long Beach, where the KitchensToGo Field Ops team is in the process of installing a new temporary dining complex for the university. This complex will be made up of 2 high production kitchen units along with 7 dining and serverie modules supported by 3 cold storage walk-in coolers. This complex will be in place for 6 months plus, serving the needs of the university. We're now on the inside of this 5,000 square foot temporary dining serverie complex. Although it looks like an open space at this time, it'll actually be filled with serverie equipment, and when this opens, it'll be full of energy, excitement, and great food. The unit is now done and it's ready for operation. We'll walk inside and take a look and see where the students are enjoying their great food.
It doesn't feel like a temporary facility. I feel pretty welcomed, and I like to come here to eat more than in the other facility that's actually permanent on campus. So I think that says something right there.
This project was initially installed to be a 3-month temporary installation during the renovation of one of the main dining halls on campus. It has since been extended through October of 2014 to capture a second renovation that will actually be happening just right outside at one of the closer dining halls.
When we opened up our very first day, the students were very surprised when they came in. They didn't know what to expect, and they just see the outside that looks like classrooms, but not knowing the inside was we had the salad bar, we have everything. So they were very, very happy. They were very surprised.
The students are enjoying a nice afternoon lunch. This area seats about 290 students and will help to meet the needs while the dining commons are being renovated. Again, a great example of the great solutions that KitchensToGo provides.